Are you soon-to-be newlyweds dreaming of the perfect honeymoon? In this scene, we'll show you how to choose the perfect destination for an unforgettable honeymoon. Whether you prefer a tropical beach getaway or an adventurous mountain retreat, we'll guide you through the decision-making process. Planning a honeymoon can be exciting, but it's essential to set a budget to avoid overspending. In this scene, we'll share expert tips on how to set a budget for your honeymoon. From accommodations and transportation to dining and activities, we'll help you allocate your resources wisely. Finding the perfect accommodation is crucial for a memorable honeymoon. In this scene, we'll give you insights into researching different accommodation options. Whether you're considering resorts, hotels, or vacation rentals, we'll provide you with valuable information to make the best choice for your needs. A honeymoon is a time to celebrate your love and create lasting memories. In this scene, we'll guide you through planning romantic activities for your honeymoon. From candlelit dinners and sunset cruises to couples massages and adventurous excursions, we'll help you design the perfect itinerary for a truly unforgettable experience. Preparing for your honeymoon requires careful packing to ensure you have everything you need. In this scene, we'll provide you with a checklist of packing essentials for your honeymoon. From clothing and toiletries to travel documents and electronics, we'll make sure you're fully prepared for an amazing trip.